You snuck up on me there. I was watching some of my Saturday morning cartoons. Little Muppet Babies with Galaxy High and, of course, Pee-wee's Playhouse. It's me, Coach Vigue, my friends. I'm going to take you through this power yoga flow that's going to culminate with this warrior wrap to the airplane lunge. It's pretty intense. It's fantastic. It's amazing for your body. And, of course, your overall physical and mental performance. Sound good? Okay, check in below. Let me know you're here. I'm doing a different angle this time. I think it behooves a lot of the moves in this flow if you see it from the front, okay? Subscribe, like, comment, share, and cinch up your trousers. Downward facing dog. Let's walk the legs. Spread the fingers wide. Hands shoulder width, feet hip width. 10 steps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax the shoulders. Okay, I'll mirror you. Take your right foot forward. Warrior position. Pivot your left foot in. Bend your right knee. Forearm is on the leg. Side angle. Reach that left arm up and over. Keeping the hip open. Let's breathe in the nose and out the nose. There's a blizzard going on outside, so we're nice and dry in here, except for the sweat. Add a little pulse here, pulsing back and forth. Open up the hamstrings, wake up the body. I think I have a question. Okay, now, warrior position, bend that knee. Take this left arm behind you. Roll that right shoulder back. These are the prequels to the warrior wrap, okay? Warrior wrap is definitely a more challenging move. It's always good to know some of the steps you can take to ease your transition there. And in the meantime, we get to do all these great poses. So win-win situation. Left shoulder back, open the chest. If you like, slip the hands down. Open, open, one more breath. Okay, now drop that left knee down. We have a low lunge right here. Hands are down, rocking it forward and back. Open up that hip flexor on the left leg. Are you with me? You still with me here? Okay. Am I with myself? I don't know, that's a whole philosophical argument. Back and forth. Lubricating the joints. Getting some movement. Whew. I got a little jolt going on there. Woo, that's fun. All right, take this right hand, slip it back. On the other side, there's hair on the ground. Other hand down. Now low lunge, Spiderman sway, we can call it. Swaying back and forth. Feel free to slide the hands further apart. It's like a Pat Benatar video. Again, with the 80s references. What's going on? Don't make me bring up the Goonies. All right, one more breath. All right, step it back. Plank position. Press forward. Shoulders in front of the wrists, lower down. Chaturanga, hover. Drop it down, tops of the feet to the mat. Roll the shoulders back, lift up to cobra or upward facing dog. Drop the shoulders, squeeze the glutes. This cap is too tight. And downward facing dog. There we are. Hope I'm mirroring you. Am I saying the right words? Let's bring the left foot forward. Warrior. Turn the right foot in. Side angle. Take that arm up. It's up to you. You want to rock it. Inhale forward, exhale lengthen. Plant that right heel into the turf, into the mat. I got a zipper on my butt. Okay, ooh, one more time. Now, right arm up or right arm to your lower back, peeling open the chest so your right shoulder is sinking back. Forearm here or take the hands down. Open up your upper body. Open up the breath. My mat is shifting. Rocking if you wish. There we are. Feel that movement. Use the breath. Really inflate your body with the breath. Okay. And now low lunge. Drop the right knee. Hands are down. Am I slipping a little bit? Let me move slightly over. I don't know. These are things that keep me up at night. Rock it forward and back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Your foot and that knee are staggered slightly. They're not lined up directly. It'll make the balance much harder. Okay. Hope you like these moves. Pat Benatar or not. Okay. Feel free to take that left hand underneath. Right hand out as your body allows. Swaying back and forth, side to side. Love is a battlefield. I'm in a mood today. I think it's the snow outside. But it wouldn't be a lie if I said anytime I can hit record and do a video for you guys, I get excited. And I just can't hide it. Good. Further through. All right. We're marinating. We're feeling good. Let's do a Vinyasa Flow. Step it back to plank. Forward, down. The next flow is going in to the warrior wrap, to that airplane lunge. So downward facing dog. All right, right foot forward. Warrior. The flow we just did, you can go back to that if you're not ready yet. Work into it. The wrap. Left arm around, right arm underneath. Hands come together, open the chest. Add the pulse if you like. Breathe. Not many times in our life when our entire mind and body are focused on one task. Because if you check out from this pose, you'll fall over. It won't work. It'll fall apart. All right, now the airplane lunge. We're right here. Take the arm underneath, boom, right here. Or place the hands down. 5 breaths, either one. Good grief, this is good. Oh. Every fiber, every cell working. Think about elevating your life, your health and fitness. All right, hands down, step back. Vinyasa Flow. I'm going to take it from down, dog, and down. Whew. So many things we can do, my friend, in such a short amount of time. Down dog. Okay, spread the fingers wide. Here we go. Left foot forward, warrior. Line up the heels. Shoulders back. Choose your warrior. I'm feeling frisky. I'm going right into it. Right arm outside. Left arm underneath. Tighter on this side. Pulse. 5 breaths. Oh, such dramatic change, positive change in such a short amount of time. Positive change, not change for the sake of change. I get tired of that canard. I want positive change. Stronger, more focus, more energy, better able to serve those around me. Now, right from here, this is something. Here we are, hands down or here, 5 breaths. Oh, is it over yet? 2 more breaths, my friend. Come on, do it with me. This side feels tighter. That's good. We'll balance it out. Oh, okay. Vinyasa Flow. I'm going to celebrate by kicking that leg up. Forward, down. Oh, what'd you think, up dog? Feel good. Full body massage. Walk out the legs 10 times in down dog. Feel free to repeat this as much as possible. It is now part of your arsenal. It's yours. It's all of ours. Make that positive change. Stay focused. Stay committed. Because if you do, it helps me stay committed and consistent. All right, knees down. Whew. All right. That's some total mind-body training right there, my friends. Increasing performance on every level. Please, right below, check in below your feedback to this flow. Let me know you were here. And still snowing outside. Subscribe to this channel, hit that like button if this workout really helped, and share it with friends, family, co-workers, coaches, teammates, that one person you see walking down the street. So you need to check out this flow from Sean Vigue Fitness, from Coach Vigue. We can do it together. We can improve our lives together. All right, now, by court order, here are the closing credits. On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.